Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Lazy as always with the YouTube uploads, but today I got one. Girlfriend always parks in the driveway as well, so I've been parking this over here, and sometimes I've been keeping this other truck, whether it be the diesel or now the Ford, at the shop. But today's gonna be a long tube header install on this guy. Nothing too crazy has really happened. I did do the rear bumper. We had a good time with that too.
Roll pan day.
Dang boggin' GM! I fucking hate GM, man! That's how I take care of shit around here! Ow! You, GM.
My bad, I left the hitch there. You feel better?
You, GM! There we go! What's going on here?
Is it off?
No, I'm part this way. This bolt's strong, man. I tell you what.
Did you get it?
Oh, get out of here!
You feel better?
100%.
Safety first. I'm waiting for him to throw the glasses.
Get out of here!
Yeah, so we got the roll pan on, looking a lot better. I have not put my exhaust tips on yet because I still need to fix my tailpipes. I did stick the Super 10 Flowmaster back in because I wanted to give it another try, and I was disappointed as I was last time. It's too quiet. But I also had a cat come loose, so it rattled real bad. So we have one hollowed out cat and one intact cat. So with that, I'm going to do a long tube header install today that I have, and we'll fire the truck up. Still pretty tame, but that is a 5.3 with one hollowed out cat, a Super 10 Flowmaster, no exhaust tips, dual 2.5-inch tailpipes. It's not too bad, but I'm still talking really normal. It's really quiet. Oh yeah, the CV shaft broke. 3-wheel drive. Hello. Ooh. Catalyst inefficiency code. Airbag code still present. Oh well. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let you shine. So a long time ago I got this set of headers for the truck. They are used in 1 3/4 with an off-road Y. I think they're like the eBay specials, not like the Speed Engineerings. What the hell was that? So I'm hoping that I got an okay set of headers. Like I said, they came off of a part out truck, so who knows. I only paid $100 for them, but I got the GM gaskets, I got the stage 8 locking header bolts, so everything will be done right. BGR will be deleted. I carefully back up. We will get the show on the road. And I present the two biggest problems in my life. Pretty cool though. Oh yeah, she purring. I got Nate about to take the truck. Got Nate about to take the truck down the road so I can hear it before we cut into it. Yeah, it's a dog.
That was like to the floor.
Was it really? Jeez, it didn't even sound like it downshifted. Not too bad. All right, let's make it better. All right, it begins. Longtube headers all placed, ready to go. Got the fake cats, exhaust gaskets, stage 8 locking header bolts. You think that's funny? And here we go with the install. Well, that wasn't a very bad install. I'm sorry I didn't really go through and like film the process of it, but we've clocked just about 5 hours in on the whole install job. There really wasn't any snag. The EGR kind of became an issue because I kind of forgot about that part. But as you can see, barely, but you know, they're old used headers. They are in and bolted up. I used the stage 8 locking fasteners. Hopefully they are all as glorious as they claim to be. So for a redneck fix, we pinched off the EGR valve here. I'm gonna order a blocking plate to fix it properly. I mean, we have header. I'm going underneath for a quick little tour. So this will be an issue. I will need to address this, but I'll need shorter bolts too. But I have the suspicion that it will leak here. So I'm going to, I want to get this mid-pipe assembly all redone anyway. I mean, this exhaust is just like clobbled right in here. But I want to get it done right so where I can like use it. Like take it apart when I want to. I did retain all the O2 sensors. I put the rear sensors back in. I will get a tune to tune them out. This is the little mini resonator pre-cat, or the little mini resonator and header. I think it may be, yeah, touching the frame here. A little oily. And clearance everywhere else is pretty good. So I had a pack of 5 of these bolts. This flange is threaded, so that's how I did that. But I ran a smaller bolt with washers and a nut on this side. But everything is installed. Clearance steering shaft, just barely, but it is in. So, and there's an array of tools we all used. But I appreciate Nate big time for helping me out with that. And truck's done. So I'm gonna count on there being minimal to no leaks, at least at that flange, which is no big deal. And I'm gonna count on that being an A+ success. I'll clean up and I'm fire it up. All right, onward with the first start. Oh yeah, that's leaking bad. Still a decent tone though with headers and a real small muffler. So 1 3/4 Longtube headers, little cat resonators, stock 2 3/4 inch exhaust pipe, Super 10 flow master muffler, dual mandrel 2.5 inch tailpipes. And yeah, rear end, I got a brake leak over there, and tailpipes are kind of sad. Not too bad though. Okay, whoa.
gonna sound great with that XR1. Jesus.
Alright, first takeoff. Not at all surprised we have a check engine light. Can definitely hear it a lot. Got a little mud in the tire there. It's not that bad. It's still not as loud as the Roush on the F-150. I do hear an exhaust leak. I'm just climbing a rather steep hill, but it's not bad at all. So maybe those little resonators in the exhaust collectors do help a little. There's a good little drone bit right there. It's still not too bad. Coasting down a hill, foot off the accelerator. Still not bad at all. I could maintain a very good conversation with somebody. Just giving it a little bit of throttle here. Don't sound that awful in here like I expected it to. I thought it was gonna not so much have like a deep grump, but like just a really obnoxious drone. With like that Flowmastery hollow sound, but this isn't bad at all. I can live with it for a little bit. Yeah, I've put about maybe 10 miles on it so far. Still not bad. The drone is a little heavier now. It's a lot more noticeable, but it's still nothing compared to the F-150 with the Roush catback. That drone's very heavy. Like 65 mile an hour, 1800 RPM or so. It's not bad at all. Still pretty pleasant to drive. So cool. I'm just gonna have to hunt down a couple of these exhaust leaks. I know the one's gonna be at that Y merge, because it just didn't even bolt up right. Probably have. I hope it's just at the collector. I'll check this when I get it back to the house. Make sure my header bolts are all good. Other than that, no, it feels healthy. Even without the EGR, and it's not tuned yet, so it feels good. I hope the tune will wake it up enough that it'll run a lot more smoother, a little more aggressively. Like when I put it down on the floor, it's like, huh? And that just gets old quick. Like, I want it to move. But yeah. So I'll try to get a couple drive-by videos of it, and then tune in next time.
No, I remote started it.